up guys, welcome back to another video. Oh my god, this is my brother. Oh my god, listen. So we got the Christmas update is back. 6 days. 6 days for what? It's already here, I guess. What am I even doing? So I'll check out all of the OG map! OG map is back. Snowballs. Snowballs. Oh, you know me, but what is that?
No, you can't.
That's the reactor. ELI is my fan code if you want to join. Oh. Okay, bro. Oh, I have a lightsaber on my back. You have that for protection, I guess. But let's look at the OD map. It looks... Lines, what is this? Oh my god, it's just this. I don't even have a video to record. Look, I can get on that. Where does that lead us? Somewhere over there. Okay. 6 more days. Frozen Lake is back, maybe? I don't know. What the hell? Where do I get that from? What the hell? What? Where do I get that? How? Oh, okay. How did I get 10k? I guess I'll buy some stuff in here, I guess. So yeah, guys, I guess. I hate that noise. Extra stock ammo. Steady hand. Gonna buy that. Whoa, bro. What is that? Never. I am just gonna go explore the map because I'm bored. Frozen Lake, Frozen Lake is back. But how would it look? Yeah, how would it look? Alright, call my friend. Random company's not scared. Like, no way! I could get Elliot to get online. No way I can get Elliot on. My friend Elliot. Actually, I tried to add the view Elliot. Didn't add me. Okay. Time to solo that. Okay, bro. Now we're here at Stansfield. I can't believe you just happened to be trying to that. What was that? Okay, I just need to buy upgrades. It's nutty guitar. It's so nutty though. I hate that. Why? Animal company. You just gonna teleport me outside of the map or something? I hate this game. No, I don't. Come on, bro. You the heart of God, how are you giving me? Oh, so just push me towards it. See? Just did it again. After this, I have to buy a new shotgun, a new lock gun. Why? Why that up there? What is that? Why? See, why are they not researched? Whatever they're called. Please tell me there's no more. Okay, I'm good. Now I have to buy a new shotgun, new everything, I guess. Because I don't want to be bothered. And the video is going to take long, and then you guys won't watch it, so... Oh, it's so annoying, guys, I know. You might feel the pain too, because you guys have bothers, you know. Okay, let's go. My little soda pop! Why? That scared me a lot. You see what I spawned in? Get out! Wait. Go, 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 go. Not exact. But it's going like a scrambled egg, I guess. What? Oh, wait, there's loot there. Did you see that? There was loot. Oh, do you guys remember the glitch? This. Yo, they still added my glitch. Wait, no, not my glitch. Some glitch. Not my glitch, bro. I feel the guys were telling me. Look who got their stuff back. Go. I wanna go. I hate this game. Oh, why is there a skinwalker? Back up! Easy. Back name. Oh, snipe. No. What? Headshot. 223. Infinite. What, bro? Get out! What? What? What the hell? Hi, buddy. Why is he so bloody? Where was he at? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm gonna put that there. Look, they're giving out 3 items that we had. The packed guy. Okay, so let's go. See what we can actually get. We're gonna need that. Oh, boy, this nostalgia is coming back. Oh, I know what to do there. Okay. Get that. Okay, mama. Link. I think I might open it, and the person opens. So in the first one. What does that smell? Office monster. They're stuck in each other. How are you dead? Out of my mouth. What does that smell? What? Okay. So they're gonna add a new monster. What about stage 5? Well, how is it snowing and why is it snowing in here? Anything changed that I finally at stage 7? Stage 6. Anyways, bye guys. Whoa! Okay, goodbye guys. That was the ending of the video. How do I do an outro? Actually no.